Hi, my name is Charlie Collins. Did you know that over 70% of people who are blind are unemployed? $31.7 billion cost to our government because of this problem. And it shouldn't be that way. I've been legally blind for the past 42 years. Some might call me disabled, legally blind, and it must be so hard. Well, life is not easy. Thankfully, over 6 months ago, I received an email from Antion. In this email, he said he was looking to build or offer a way for people with disabilities to come into the IMTC, the Internet Marketing Training Center, to learn how to best build a home-based internet business or get the skills and be qualified to go out and get a really good high-paying job. And I thought, that's amazing. In the beginning of 2021, things changed in my life and I became unemployed. And I was really at a low. And I thought, what? The only thing keeping me going was the fact I focused on a positive mindset and I had success principles in my life I lived by. And I wanted to build an academy, a place for people who are blind to come in to learn. But boy, that's a big, big, big job. A website, a membership site, a YouTube channel, and oh boy, the how was really keeping me stuck. Thankfully, I received that email from Tom that introduced me to what his plan was doing through the Internet Marketing Training Center. And I jumped right on it, and it couldn't have landed at a better time in my life. I thankfully was chosen to come into the program at no charge. And I came in and I started step by step after video, reading, listening, and taking little quizzes, which scared me in the beginning. But hey, this thing is so chunked down. It's taught me so much. It's taught me it is possible to start a home-based business. It isn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. It's chunked down to step by step. Heck, I didn't know so many things. And boy, it would have been a nightmare if I tried to do this on my own and watch YouTube videos and learn on my own. Forget that. This school has just helped bring me on the journey where now I've launched, well, a few months back now, the thrivingblindacademy.org. And people are coming in every week. It's amazing. I wonder why. I guess because the framework, the foundation, the keywords, the way the pages load, the ease of use, the high contrast, and the accessibility of the website, which I learned in the Internet Marketing Training Center, is just allowing it to take off. You know why? Because I know what people are searching out there. How do I know that? The school taught me that. It's not what I think, it's what they think. And how can I best serve them? So I am blessed. I am grateful to be a part of this. It has helping transform my life. But in the process, I have over 6,000 people now in the community, and it continues to grow. And we are just getting started. But I'm built on a solid foundation. Great strategies and things to do to now focus on what I do best, not sit and get frustrated about building a website. It isn't nearly as hard as we think. So please, in any way, we need your help. And I ask that because my company is a nonprofit and we need help raising awareness and showing people there is a path to find really good employment or start your home-based business. And it starts with the Internet Marketing Training Center and Thriving Blind Academy. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to your support.